Look at those meatballs. Absolutely amazing. I know, right?
I made my own sauce for years, and it's phenomenal.
Yeah.
So guys, right now we're cooking those in the oil.
This is, like I said, this is 350 degrees. The idea here is we want a nice crispy outside to the meatballs. They're going to cook the rest of the way. Don't worry about it. And we're not in New York City. We're in New York, but we're not in New York City. We're in the mountains.
Jersey. We're in New Jersey.
Well, it's so close, the line. I get confused. We're New Jersey, New York. It's very close, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So we're got one leg in New Jersey, one leg in New York. We just about do. The chickens are in New Jersey.
Hey, YouTube.
And then we're going to open.
And we are stuffing these with the wet buffalo.
Fresh buffalo
mozzarella.
Yeah, this is going to be absolutely awesome. This is a nice twist to. I can't get it open.
Honey,
this is a nice,
can you help us? No.
No, you know what the problem is? Don't worry about the glass. There you go. Okay.
All right.
Okay,
hey.
That's better.
Is this a good size?
That's perfect.
All right.
So what we're going to do is actually. This is not.
You know what? You have to tear. Yeah, there you go.
I know, but it wasn't like that when I got it. We're getting this nice and mixed. Remember, you got to mix this really good because you got two different types of meat here. You've got pork, you got fresh ground pork, and then you've got the fresh ground beef. So we want.
I was talking about you being the meatball.
Oh, I'm the meatball. Okay. I've been called worse. Got our Italo's gourmet pasta sauce, which we are going to be using in this dish. And that's it for now. We're going to set up and we'll be back.
Now you're live.
Hey.
Hold on.
Hey, welcome to.
Okay, you can stop recording now. I get it. It is, but